Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am working with my rigid table saw here, worksite saw. It's I forget the model number, but it's the rigid. Basically, I think they only make one brand, maybe. But rigid table saw. But if you ever have this problem where you have your extension table, which I think is an awesome part of this table site, this work site saw, is that you can extend your table out to hold larger pieces of work here. But sometimes, if your table is loose here, there's a latch in. Look, it's locked now, and now it's open. So this table should slide in place, and you lock it to keep it tight. But unfortunately, you can easily pull that back out. So if you're working with a cut, this table slides out on you, you're gonna have a crooked cut. If you have a large piece here, this goes in on you, the table goes in on you, you don't want this table moving, basically. So if you wanna fix that problem there with this not really locking, is you got to go underneath your saw, and there's a screw right there, and you can see about a little bracket that's on it. But you're gonna have to tighten up this bolt here, and I'm going to show you how I do that to make this a little tighter here. And sorry for the camera rotation, but I'm going to show you what I did to tighten that up. All right, YouTube. So now after tightening, camera problems here, but you want to tighten that screw right there. The one that is closest to your front of your table saw, which is on the left. You want to tighten that screw there. Right there, you can see I have it nice and tight. And that basically, once you lock this, it's gonna be a little tougher to lock. Of course, my fence will move, but this right here, this extender table is not moving. So that's how you would fix that. Sorry for the camera angles, but easy fix, just something I thought would help if you're having that problem.